Keeping things together is what we've done for nearly a century. The Aero PT50 pneumatic staple gun delivers serious pneumatic tool performance at a price DIY enthusiasts love. Packed with features like an easy load magazine, overmolded comfort grip, adjustable exhaust cover, and contact safety, this tool has the power and versatility to tackle any home project. And it's capable of bump firing to speed big jobs along. The PT50 comes with all necessary fittings and operates on home compressors up to 120 psi. Ideal for general home repairs, upholstery, insulation, and much more. The easy-to-follow color-coded system guides you through staples. Aero, how it all comes together. Visit aerofastener.com.
I've got Hitachi's N3804 AB3 1/4-inch narrow crown stapler. A stapler like this is ideal for interior and exterior trim work, furniture assembly, cabinet, countertop work, and other fine finish applications. Because it uses an 18-gauge narrow crown staple, which means the piece of metal connecting the two tines is extremely small, only 1/4 inch across the top, and the tines can range from 1/2 inch long up to 1.5 inches long. It doesn't leave a huge mark. Staples have excellent holding power and are oftentimes more cost-effective for certain applications. This stapler has some key advantages. First, it's only 2.3 pounds, so it weighs next to nothing and is extremely well balanced. Secondly, it has a low center height, so the head of this stapler can fit into the tightest spaces. It's equipped with a non-slip elastomer handle and trigger for a secure hold. The ergonomically designed flip actuation switch is so simple to use. You can just move the switch from bump fire mode, where you hold the trigger and the stapler will drive a staple each time the nose touches a surface, to sequential fire mode, where the trigger must be depressed each time for more deliberate placement and a slower pace of work. Either way, it's quick to make the change as your application requires, without any tooling to make the adjustment. It features tool-free depth adjustment, which comes in handy for improved control and customization. Should a staple jam during use, that's not a problem. The easy clear nose on this narrow crown stapler means all you have to do is open the feeder nose for quick and easy access to the jammed staple, remove it, and close it back up for minimal disruption. Complete with 2 no-mar tips to protect the surface from marring. This stapler also comes with a fitting already from the factory installed at the rear, so it's ready to go right out of the box. The fitting is angled upwards slightly to help keep the hose away from the user and off the workpiece. The high-capacity magazine loads quickly from the rear and holds up to 100 staples for fewer replenishments. It comes with Hitachi's 5-year tool warranty for peace of mind, along with a carrying case with storage for 2 no-mar caps and safety glasses.